Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the bottom vent trim on your double wall oven, first remove the lower oven door. Fully open the door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws to release the bottom vent. You're now ready to install the new bottom vent trim. You can do this by flexing the upper vent piece away from the lower vent piece, then slide the bottom vent trim between them. Use 4 number 8 18 by 1/4 inch screws to secure the trim to the vent. Align the assembly on the oven frame, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.